Okay, welcome to the Dave's Desk TSE special. Today we have Joe from Elmdene. Welcome to Dave's Desk special at TSE.
Thank you very much for having me.
We're waiting for that. You're the first of many today, so thank you for being the first person to come onto our lovely Dave's Desk. So, Elmdene, we onboarded Elmdene at DVS about 6 months ago now, right? It was about 6 months ago.
Maybe close to 4, I think December.
Oh, it goes quick, doesn't it, at the time, yeah. We'll take Christmas out of the way. So great feedback from our customers so far. We're really proud to have Elmdene as a manufacturer on our profile. If you don't know who Elmdene are, who are you? Where have you been? Elmdene is one of the go-to manufacturers of PSUs and accessories in the security and fire industry. Isn't that right, Joe?
That's absolutely right. Elmdene have been around for over 60 years. We're a market leader in the fire and security industry. Yeah. We cover multiple disciplines: fire, access control, intruder, and CCTV.
So everything, really?
Pretty much everything.
Good. And if you haven't already spotted it, we have one of our standout products on the desk. What is it?
So this is our ACCESS-PSU1, which is a staple of our access control range. It's got our new design in it, which is what makes it
new design.
Special. New design on the inside. Do you want to open it up? Or
let's open it up. There is a key lock on there, so better than some of the versions with just screws on there. It is a little bit more secure. So, as you can see, talk us through it.
So, what I mean by new design is this back plate. So this is our mesh design, which is what we've changed about the product. I think the change happened maybe 12 months ago. It's a design that means you can fit any controller on it without having to faff about drilling holes. So
universal?
Universal, yeah.
And I guess that's where the gubbins pack comes in, as we called it earlier,
yes,
the standoffs.
Our extensive fixing set
is posh.
Very posh.
Yeah,
so it was intended that whatever you need to fit, you've got some kind of fixing in here that will help you fit it onto the back.
So whether you're fitting Hartman access control, which we recently announced at TSE, Height Vision, or Suprema access control, this is a universal access control, and any other brand, if you don't buy it from DVS, which you should, this is a very universal product which will allow you to facilitate all of the different brands, all the different input, output modules, etc. with the gubbins pack. That's what it's effectively known as now, the gubbins pack.
The gubbins pack.
And it obviously comes with the battery leads, etc. with the lock and the keys in there, so it's always safe in there.
Yeah, there's a FOM built into this one as well, so four-way FOM, 4 amp power supply.
FOM. I like it. That's a really cool name, FOM. So the thing I like about Elmdene is they actually look how you can make and innovate your products, because most people look at a power supply as a power supply, right? But you take a lot of feedback from the industry, even the little things, because I'm an engineer, I'm from the tools, just looking at the product now, the raised standoffs on the back to allow cables to come through, to hang it nice and easily, the door comes off, the detachable earth strap, like you said, the new mesh design, really well designed PCB and PSU behind it with an integrated tamper switch. There's a lot of thought that goes into a simple power supply.
Absolutely, and to top it all off, we offer a lifetime product warranty as well. So
fantastic.
You know that you're going to fit this and you know you're covered.
Well, thank you for talking us through the ACCESS-PSU1. If you want to know more, please get in contact with either Elmdene or ourselves at DVS. We do keep this product in stock. And thank you very much and have a great TSE.
Thank you very much, you too.